Hi friends, how are you all? So today I am drawing this portrait of BTS member V. So first I am trying to understand the shape of the face with HB pencil. So this is a portrait tutorial. So watch till the end to get the final result. The final result may differ to some extent because it is a freehand drawing, and in freehand drawing don't expect the result to be 100% perfect, but I'm trying to figure it out. Look at the portrait, the shape of the face. I'm just trying to understand the shapes. So this is my initial impression of the face. Now I'm drawing the eyes and the nose. It's a initial impression, so don't take it as final result. Just a initial thought about the portrait. It's a time-lapse tutorial, so if you want the full tutorial, then comment, then I will post the full step-by-step tutorial, because when I'm putting full step-by-step tutorial, no one views the full tutorial. They only views the 2 to 3 minutes. So I give a time-lapse tutorial here. Now I am trying to just sketching the back parts with a charcoal pencil. This is a charcoal pencil from Camlin brand. So look at the references given in the left side, so that you can watch it always. Look at the shapes of the hairs. I'm just trying to shape it out, and the darker part with a charcoal pencil. Now I'm using a 4B pencil from Staedtler brand, Staedtler Lumograph black pencil for shading. Please comment how it is. If you like my drawing, then please consider to subscribe, and if you want step-by-step tutorial, then I have already posted many step-by-step tutorial, full-length tutorial, so please watch that. They are both in English and Hindi language, so that everyone can understand the steps of portrait drawing. So this will be my shape of the face. Now I'm taking a charcoal pencil. This is a willow charcoal, and it is very useful for darker parts where we need a thick pencil. So it is a thick willow charcoal pencil I'm using for the hairs, because if I do the hairs with thin pencil, then it will take longer time, and I don't want to waste many times with a portrait. I just want to practice portrait daily, so that I can do a portrait in instant. So I am practicing portrait drawing for last 12 years, and this is my result, how it is. If you like that result, then do comment, and if you want to learn drawing from me, portrait drawing, especially portrait drawing from me, then comment, then I will reply, and I will teach you the step-by-step tutorial in a live video. Okay, so do comment. Thank you very much. This is my final result. Please follow me for more.